A simple weekend strategy for winning in binary options trading focuses on taking advantage of the unique characteristics of weekend markets, especially in OTC, over-the-counter trading, where liquidity is lower and price movements tend to be more predictable compared to weekdays. The first step is to choose a reliable and regulated broker that offers weekend binary options trading, such as platforms providing OTC charts for major currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, or commodities. Once you have access, begin by analyzing the past few weekends' price action to understand recurring patterns. OTC markets often mirror previous trends or form repetitive cycles because they are broker-generated. For a simple yet effective approach, use a combination of support and resistance levels along with a short-term indicator like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, set to a 7 or 14 period. Start by identifying clear horizontal support and resistance lines on the 1-minute or 5-minute chart and wait for the price to approach these levels. When the price reaches resistance and RSI shows overbought conditions above 70, consider placing a put option. When it hits support and RSI indicates oversold conditions below 30, consider a call option. To increase accuracy, confirm with candlestick reversal patterns such as pin bars, engulfing candles, or doji formations at these key zones. The trade duration should be short, typically 1 to 5 minutes, to align with quick weekend market fluctuations. Avoid trading during sudden spikes or erratic moves, as weekend OTC markets can occasionally generate artificial volatility to trap traders. Risk management remains critical. Risk only 1 to 3% of your account per trade and limit yourself to a set number of trades per session to prevent overtrading. Since weekend markets can be less active, patience is your edge. Wait for high-probability setups rather than chasing every price movement. Additionally, focus on pairs with historically smoother price action during weekends, such as EUR, USD OTC, GBP USD OTC, or BTC USD OTC, since they tend to produce cleaner trends and reversals. A useful tip is to backtest your weekend trading strategy on demo mode before applying it to live trading, ensuring you are familiar with the broker's chart behavior. You can also track your performance in a trading journal, noting entry points, confirmation signals, and outcomes to refine your method over time. This simple weekend strategy works best because it combines predictable OTC patterns, technical analysis, and disciplined risk control, allowing you to exploit weekend trading opportunities without overcomplicating the process. By sticking to clear rules, using reliable indicators, and focusing on high-quality setups rather than quantity, you can steadily improve your win rate in binary options weekend trading while keeping losses minimal, ultimately turning weekends into consistent profit-making sessions instead of risky, unplanned gambles.